Okay, so we are looking at transformations. You've been given an entire packet. I'm going to go through this entire packet with you. These are some rules that you should have memorized. Whether you have it memorized with a +1 at the end or a +2 at the end or this C, it does not matter to me. So you should know that if we have something on the outside that is adding, that it is going up however many that is. If it's on the outside and it's subtracting, it's going down. Those are our vertical shifts. Not really important to me, the vocabulary, really just the up and the down on the outside. That's what's important. Okay. Horizontal shifts. These are my left and rights. Okay. And they're in a mirror. So if I add something, I'm going to go left because I'm talking about it as if I'm in a mirror. And if I subtract something, I'm going to go right, again, as if I'm in a mirror, okay? My reflections. These are my flips, so I call these a flip, not a reflection. I call this a flip up and down, okay? Other teachers call it a reflection about the x-axis. So that happens over that line of x. It does not matter to me if you memorize it as a flip over x, a reflect over x, a reflect up and down, a flip upside up and down, a flip upside down. Any of those words are fine with me. When I have a negative on the inside, it's going to flip left and right. When it flips left and right, it's over the y-axis. Okay. So for me, when I give you, like, what do you need to do? I told you that your hinty hint is that the outside is always up and down. The inside is always left and right. You know that the outside is up and down because you can dig a hole outside, you can jump up and down outside, and your mom's not going to get mad. But if you do that in the house, there's a good chance that she will. So then I have something like a whole number in front of this. A whole number is going to cause this to stretch. It's going to cause it to be tall and skinny. Okay. You are going to multiply your y by whatever the number. In this case, it's a 2. Okay, so how much it moves up or down, that's what you're going to multiply. Same idea if I put a fraction in the front. It's called a shrink. So that makes sense. It's going to get short and fat. It's really important that you know I will not take any words like increase, decrease, bigger, smaller, because for me, bigger could mean fat or it could mean tall, and they're two very different things. This multiplies your y by 1/2. Okay? We are never, ever, ever doing anything with a horizontal stretching or shrinking. So I told you you could go ahead and cross that off. So you should have 8 rules that you have to memorize. Okay, these are your 8 rules. I'm going to go ahead, pause this video here, put a stop to it, and then give you our next set.